Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, if you're dying of heat this summer, you have to check out this impressive tower fan. This particular fan is unique for several different reasons, but the main one being that it has a water tank. So this will take cooling your space to another level. It can serve as a humidifier. It also has ice packs, so you really get that true cooling effect, almost like an air conditioner blowing on you. The reservoir is huge, so you can put a lot of water in here. You don't have to worry about refilling super often. Now that's just one of the settings. That's the cool setting, but there's all sorts of other settings, and it has a remote, so that's awesome too. So as you can see, different modes like the normal mode, nature mode, night mode, and AI mode. This also oscillates, so you can cool down your entire room. I love that you can see the temperature right on the top. You can visibly see the temperature in your room going down. It's very accurate. I have a thermostat on my wall and it always matches. Another little safety feature, it has a lock. So if you hold down on that, it will lock all the functions. So if you have any little people walking around, they won't be able to mess with your fan. The remote stores really nicely on top, so you'll never lose it. But if you do want to be able to use this fan from a distance, you have up to 20 feet with this remote. It has a 12-hour timer and 3 different speed modes. Overall, I'm so impressed with how well this cools. It will seriously make your summer so much better. And not to mention, it's a very sleek looking, white, black, gold, beautiful. It just looks like an accessory in your space. So if you want a super impressive fan that will make you cool on those hot summer days, I think you will love this one, and that's my point of view.